Did you know that over 80 million adults in the US alone struggle with joint discomfort, making everyday activities feel like a chore? It's no wonder researchers are constantly searching for ways to improve joint comfort and mobility. One simple yet powerful ritual that's gained attention is the gelatin trick, which involves incorporating gelatin into your daily routine to support healthy joints. My friend, who's an avid hiker, swears by the gelatin trick to keep her joints happy and mobile, even after a long day on the trails. She told me that since she started using the gelatin trick, she's noticed a significant difference in her ability to move freely and easily without any nagging discomfort. By using the gelatin trick, you can experience similar benefits, waking up feeling more limber and at ease, with a newfound sense of freedom in your movements. To learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily life, check out the link in the description below for a comprehensive guide. And be sure to take a look at the pinned comment for some valuable tips from our community on making the gelatin trick a sustainable part of your routine. By giving the gelatin trick a try, you can take the first step towards a more comfortable and mobile you.